Imagine a world where starting a family wasn't just about biology or luck, where science could lend a helping hand. That's the reality of IVF, in vitro fertilization. But how did we get here, and what does the future hold? Let's rewind to 1978, when the world's first IVF baby, Louise Brown, was born in England. This breakthrough changed everything. Couples who once faced impossible odds could now hope for a child. IVF worked by fertilizing an egg outside the body and then placing it back in the womb. At first it was headline news and honestly pretty controversial. Fast forward to today, and IVF has become a mainstream option for millions. It's helped over 8 million babies come into the world. And the technology is moving fast. Scientists are working on things like gene editing, freezing eggs, and even creating artificial wombs. But as we push the boundaries, we face new questions. IVF isn't just a medical procedure, it's a deeply emotional journey. The process can be tough, physically and mentally. There's the hope, the anxiety, and sometimes disappointment. Plus, IVF can be expensive and isn't always covered by insurance. That means not everyone has the same access to this technology. There are also big ethical debates. For example, should parents be able to select certain traits in their children, like hair color or intelligence? Where do we draw the line between treating diseases and designer babies? And what about unused embryos? Should they be donated, discarded, or used for research? These questions don't have easy answers. Globally, the IVF landscape is just as complicated. In some countries, IVF is widely available and even covered by national healthcare, while in others, it's strictly regulated or even banned for ethical or religious reasons. Cultural beliefs also play a huge role. In some places, IVF is embraced, while in others, it faces stigma or misunderstanding. So, what does the future hold? As science advances, we'll likely see even more possibilities, from personalized medicine to potential cures for genetic diseases. But we'll also need to have honest conversations about ethics, fairness, and respect for different beliefs. IVF started as a miracle for a few, but has become a symbol of hope for millions. Its future depends not just on what science can do, but on what society thinks is right. As students, you'll help shape those conversations. What kind of future do you want for IVF? And for the families who dream of a child? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.